Guys, in this new lecture of Python programming, we are continuing our image processing tutorial series using OpenCV and Python. So let's jump onto the code and see what we have learned till now. We have done the rescaling part of our images, resizing it, but we have resized it on the basis of both width and height change. What if I want to change the height only and I want to keep the width to its default size? So in this tutorial we'll see how to keep the width to the default value and how to change the height of an image only by assigning it some constant value. That's why I'm renaming the file to height underscore constant. Obviously you can rename it anything, and for that we'll need some code. So let me copy paste this code from the previous value to save some typing time. Let me copy it till here and then we'll paste it here. So we want to see the image also. Let me uncomment these two lines. Now what I'll do, we saved one image in the last tutorial. Let's use that saved image. That was Groot underscore resized, and then we need this resized lines also. Let me copy paste this here also. If you see this resized underscore image code 780 540, so we are changing the width and height dimensions of the original image. Now what I'll do, I'll keep the width to its default value. For that we write dot shape, and in square bracket I have to pass 1, because remember that if you want to change the height then you have to pass it 0, because 0 represents the top left corner and 1 represents the bottom right corner. Then height equal to 440. I have assigned height to a constant. Then I am passing width and height as a tuple to some variable. You can rename it anything. I have named it to dem. Then now it's all ready. Let's run this thing and see what we are getting. You can see displayed window. This is our original image. Just look at the width, and then this is the resized image. Again you can see that width is constant. Now there is not much variation in height because we have already resized the original image and then we are again resizing it. You can see original image dimension height is 540 and in resized image we have done to 440. So this is how you can change the height of an image. That's it for this tutorial. We'll see in the next lecture. Thank you.